Hey everybody, welcome back. I am going to have a special video right now. I'm going to open a 1990 Topps baseball rack pack. 46 cards, including an all-star game commemorative card. This was purchased from Ames in 1990. As you know, there's a old wives' tale that you can get these cards from the northeast section of the United States, and Ames just so happens it was based in Massachusetts. So I'm going to open this in hopes of getting a Frank Thomas no-name rookie card or some of the other era cards from this set. So let's see what I get. First off, we got Mackie Sasser, Gerald Perry, Corey Snyder, Randy Kutcher, Denny Walling, Mike Brumley, Ruben Sierra, Tom Candiotti, Tony Fossas, Eric Hetzel, Storm Davis, Matt Noakes, that's a funny pose right there, Tony Phillips, Greg Harris, and Bud Black. On to section 2 here. That's the All-Star Game glossy of Wade Boggs. Another draft pick of Paul Coleman, Jeff Jackson, Andy Van Slyke, Mills Stottlemyre Jr., Ed Nunez, Joe McGrain, Dan Murphy, a checklist card, Todd Froworth, Phil Stevenson, Charlie Leibrandt, Francisco Cabrera, Matt Williams, Greg Vaughn, future star, he used to be pretty good back in the day, and Marvell Wynn. And on to the last section here, C.L.E. Smith on the back, Chris James, Joe Girardi, good manager, Johnny Ray, Kirby Puckett, Hall of Famer, that's nice, Mickey Tettleton, Dave LaPointe, Ernie Witt, Junior Felix, Jose Oquendo, Alfredo Griffin, Dick Schofield, Jack Howell, Luis Polonia, Larry Sheets, and finally the Lee Smith card. Like and subscribe to my videos. Have a great day, everybody. Let's see if I can get some PSA 10s out of all these.